Did you know we don't know what we don't know? So I'm reading this book this month. It's our company's book of the month. And there's so much thing I have to share with you. There's so many interesting things in here. And one of it is that most inventions were made by being outdoors and being curious. The whole work environment system took the curiosity out of us. Remember when we were kids and there were a field trip, you were super excited because there was a field trip. But now when your boss says we have to take a field trip, most people are like, why do we need to do this? What are we going to do? Where are we going? We're going to miss too much work. So let's take a step back, and I'm gonna read you some things that are in here. And did you know how Velcro was invented? It started with curiosity. It was a man named Georges de Mestel. He was a Swiss engineer, and him and his dog went to go hiking, and they got this little burrs all over their socks, all over his socks and all over the dog. I think in South Africa we call it klitsgras. And he got curious. So he went home and put it under the microscope and saw all those little hooks in the beginning, and then he invented Velcro. And the next two was the invention of barbed wire and also the invention of chainsaws. Both of these as well were because of curiosity, because people were outside. And the one with barbed wire was a guy, what is his name? Michael Kelly. So he observed this thorny hedges that keeps the livestock inside, and then he designed barbed wire. The next one was Joseph Cox. He invented the chainsaw, and he looked at a type of beetle that was eating through the trees, and he took this beetle and investigated and got curious. And the design of the chainsaw is actually the lower jaw of this beetle. So let's get outdoors more. Let's get curious more. When last did you actually step outside? And I'm looking here over my phone and seeing an ant. When last did we get close and investigate and just got curious about things? We should let your child, your inner child, awaken and have more fun with everything around us. Get more curious.